how to create new account on Mobile Legends. So if you want to create a new account in Mobile Legends, then what you need to do is first you just need to install the Mobile Legends application and make sure to have a stable internet connection. So once you've installed, you just need to simply search for Mobile Legends, tap on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, you just need to simply go with the name. Here you will have an option of create character, right? Simply choose the name. It will already give you the name, but if you don't like that name, then you can remove that and then you can add another name if you would like to. But if you're okay with that, then simply tap on OK and then go with your country or your region and choose your gender and then tap on OK. And if you want to check the tutorial, then you can simply tap on check the tutorial, or you can simply skip that. Tap on skip and now go with continue, which is on the bottom, and that's it. Now you can play the game. So tap on classic, which is on the bottom right, and then you can start your game. And in this way you've created your account, right? But if you already have an account and if you want to create another account, like another new account, then what you need to do is simply you just need to hold and tap onto that application. So search for Mobile Legends, press and hold onto that application, and then go with app info. And under app info, you will have an option of app clone. But if you don't have that option, then for example, if you simply press and hold on to any application, then here you will get app clone option on the first, right? So if you don't have the app clone option, then you just need to simply go with your Play Store or your App Store and download an app clone application so that you can create a new account. So you just need to simply go with the search, and under search you need to search for parallel space and then tap on install. And once you've installed, you'll be able to create clone for the applications. So once you've created the clone, like for example, I'll be doing it with WhatsApp. So tap and hold on to your application and then tap on app clone. Once you tap on app clone, now you will have two WhatsApp. In this way, you'll be able to have two Mobile Legends application with the parallel space, and you'll be able to create a new account. So that's it. That's how you can create. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.